In this video, we will show you how to install and activate a 520M SmartPoint using a Census command link. Ensure that your command link is fully charged and your handheld device has the Field Logic Tools app installed and is properly paired with the command link. To get started, you will want to first remove the meter pit lid and then unlock the radio device located in the boot of the SmartPoint 520M from its pit lid housing. To perform this task, hold the unit with two hands and using your thumbs, press down on the tabs of the boot locking clip located on the back or port connector side of the unit. With the tabs depressed, slide the boot locking clip back far enough until the pit lid housing is released from the boot. Next, lift the pit lid housing off the radio and boot assembly. Remove the pit lid housing locking nut. Insert the pit lid housing through the pre-drilled 1 3/4 inch hole in the pit lid so that the top of the housing will be on the top of the pit lid. Align the locking nut with the shaft of the pit lid housing and tighten the nut until the pit lid housing is securely fastened to the pit lid. Insert the radio and boot assembly into the stem of the pit lid housing. Secure the module by sliding the locking clip back into the boot until it clicks and locks into place. Insert the touch read pit lid or TRPL cable into the port connector. You should hear a click when it locks into place. With the pit lid in its upside down position, where the bottom of the SmartPoint module is facing up, place the flat side of the command link on the bottom or flat side of the SmartPoint. Start the Field Logic Tools application from your field device. If prompted, log in with your Field Logic Tools username and password. From the main screen in the Connect field, enter the FlexNet ID of the SmartPoint module using the keypad or barcode scanner. The FlexNet ID can be found on the front of the SmartPoint module. After you have entered the FlexNet ID, select the green Connect icon. Check the command link's LEDs to ensure that the blue LNK LED is illuminated, indicating a Bluetooth connection between the field device and the command link. Field Logic Tools will attempt to communicate with the SmartPoint module through the command link. Upon a successful connection, Field Logic Tools displays the device summary screen. You are now ready to activate the SmartPoint module. Select Activate. It will now perform a battery test. This next step is very important. Before you select OK from the Activate screen, you must complete the physical installation. Remove the command link from the radio as you are now communicating at range and no longer need physical contact between the SmartPoint and the command link. Reposition the pit lid to its proper location with a pit lid housing facing skyward. Once the pit lid is in place, select OK. Field Logic Tools will now run through and display a series of tasks. At the Activate Success screen, the base station ID and a value for the base station SNR, or signal-to-noise ratio, should be displayed. An SNR value above 16 indicates a strong connection to a nearby base station. Select OK. Your device is now active. Select View Details to view port status, register and alarm settings, and other additional details and network information. Select OK. Select Disconnect.